Welcome to my channel, everybody. This is the one of the best solution for trigonometry, and we have to proceed this solution by the two method. First with the help of trigonometry, then after we proceed to the theory of equation. Okay, see, and this is here. Now this is pi by 7 and this is 2 pi by 7 and this is 3 pi by 7, and that is equal to sin alpha, sin 2 alpha and sin 3 alpha. Okay, let alpha is equal to pi by 7. Okay, now doing 1 by 2 and 2 into sin alpha into sin 2 alpha into sin 3 alpha, and that is equal to alpha equal to pi by 7, and that is equal to 1 by 2 into this is cos of this minus this is alpha minus cos of 3 alpha into sin 3 alpha, and that is equal to half multiplied by 1 by 4 and my by 2 here, that is 3 alpha and cos alpha minus 2 into sin 3 alpha, and that is sin 6 alpha. Okay, and this is equal to 2 sin A cos B, that is 1 by 4 sin of 4 alpha plus sin of 2 alpha minus sin of 6 alpha. Okay, and this is equal to 4 alpha 2 alpha, and it is 1 by 4 sin 4 alpha sin 2 alpha minus sin 7 alpha minus alpha. Okay, and that is equal to 1 by 4 4 alpha 2 alpha 7 alpha. This is pi minus alpha actually, and this is equal to 1 by 4 sin 4 alpha plus sin 2 alpha minus sin alpha. Okay, now we have to find the value of sin 4 alpha sin 2 alpha minus sin alpha, doing whole square, and same figure as a cos, like 4 alpha cos 2 alpha. Okay, squaring this, sin square plus cos square, we get here 1, sin square plus cos square 1, and also 1, then 2 into sin A sin B cos A cos B. So that is cos 4 alpha cos 2 alpha sin 4 alpha. Okay, then after 2 into now we need to write here, now write here 2 into AB AC This is AC. So that's why minus AC minus, so take a common minus here. Okay, 4 alpha plus 4 alpha AC. BC, both the sign are minus, so minus 2 into cos 2 alpha cos alpha sin 2 alpha sin alpha, and this is equal to 3 plus 2 times of cos A cos B sin A sin B. This is cos of A minus B. So that is 4 alpha minus 2 alpha. We got here cos 2 alpha. Same as this is here minus actually. 2 into cos A cos B sin A sin B. So cos of A minus B. Cos of 3 alpha. Then minus 2 into cos of cos A cos B sin A sin B cos of A minus B. This is cos alpha. Okay. So 3 minus within the bracket 2. This is here 2 alpha. Alpha is unchanged. We want to change this 3 alpha. As we see that the angle here is 4 alpha, 2 alpha, and here is okay. Here is 4 alpha, 2 alpha, and alpha. So that's why it's converting in the same angle. So that is 2 alpha, and now we want to change this angle. Okay, and that's why plus 2 cos 2 alpha. This is 2 within the bracket. We can write here. This is here 7 alpha minus 4 alpha minus 2 into cos alpha. This is 3 plus 2 into cos 2 alpha minus 2 into cos within the bracket 3 plus 2 into cos 2 alpha minus 2 into cos. This is pi minus 4 alpha, and this is cos alpha. So 3 plus 2 into cos 2 alpha plus cos 4 alpha minus cos alpha. Okay. So now we have to find this value. Okay, now this value. Again, cos 4 alpha, cos 2 alpha minus cos alpha. Multiplied by, and that is equal to 1 by 2 sin alpha, then 2 cos 4 alpha sin alpha plus 2 cos 2 alpha sin alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. Okay, and this is equal to, you can write here 1 by 2 sin alpha, and that is equal to, this is here sin of 5 alpha minus sin of 3 alpha. This is here sin of 3 alpha minus sin of alpha, and this is here sin of 2 alpha. Okay, and this value is 7 alpha minus 2 alpha, that is pi minus 2 alpha. 7 pi means pi, so you can write here 1 by 2 sin alpha, and that is equal to 7 pi, and that is 7 alpha minus 2 alpha same as sin 7 alpha minus 3 alpha. Okay, this is for 3. This is here 4 alpha minus, we can write here, oh no, these two factors are cancelled, so we can write easily minus sin alpha minus sin 2 alpha. Okay, so that is here 1 by 2 sin alpha. This is 5 minus 12, this is sin 2 alpha minus sin alpha minus sin 2 alpha. So this cancel, this is equal to minus of actual. Okay, and now this is here 1, this is here 1, this is 2. So from 1 and 2 we get, and this is equal to sin 4 alpha sin 2 alpha minus sin alpha whole square, and the value of this is here half. Okay, of this, so this is minus half square, and is equal to 3 minus 2 times of plus 2 times of minus half. Okay, so that is equal to 3 minus 1, this is 2. So therefore sin 4 alpha sin 2 alpha minus sin alpha whole square is equal to 2 minus 1 by 4. This is 8 minus 1 by 7 by 4. So that is equal to sin 4 alpha sin 2 alpha minus sin alpha is equal to plus minus root 7 by 2. But alpha is equal to pi by 7. So this is approximately 25 point something. Okay, so these are all the value are as a sign of all this value are more than the first value. Okay, now sin 4 alpha is more than the sin 2 alpha is more than the sin alpha. Therefore sin 4 alpha sin 2 alpha minus sin alpha more than 0. Okay, and this is positive. Therefore sin 4 alpha sin 2 alpha minus sin alpha is equal to plus root 7 by 2. Okay, this fourth value lies on the first coordinate. This is 0 to 90, and all the value are increased from 0 to 90. As sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, and the value are increasing. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and sin 90 is 1 here. And see these four values. If alpha is this is here pi by 7, so all the values are greater than 0, and also sin 4 of alpha is more than the sin 2 alpha is more than the sin alpha. Okay, and therefore these two addition is more than the third value. Okay, so it is always positive. Now we have to find the value of cos of that. Okay, now again let us assume this is alpha. Okay, alpha, so that's why in the numerator part we sin and denominator part we have cos. So cos alpha, cos 2 alpha and cos 3 alpha, and multiply by 1 by 2 sin alpha. So 2 sin alpha and cos alpha, and this is our cos 2 alpha, and this is our cos 3 alpha. So 1 by 2 sin alpha and the multiply by this here we get here sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha, and this is here cos of 7 pi minus 3 alpha, sorry, this is here 4 alpha. Okay, so we get here 1 by 2 sin alpha, and again multiply by 2, then there is 4, so there is 4 sin 4 alpha, and this is pi minus 4 alpha, this is, that's why minus cos 4 alpha, then 1 by 8 into sin alpha, this is here minus sin 8 alpha, and these values are written by sin alpha plus alpha by 8 into sin alpha. Okay, so this is here minus sin pi plus alpha by 8 sin alpha, so that is equal to minus plus, this is 1 by 8. Okay, and therefore tan pi by 7, tan 2 pi by 7, tan 3 pi by 7, and this is here sin pi by 7, sin 2 pi by 7, sin 3 pi by 7, pi by 7, 3 pi by 7, and that is value on the, and therefore this is the root 7 by 2, so therefore the value of that, therefore the value of this is equal to 1 by 4, and this value is root 7 by 2, so root 7 by 2, and that is root 7 by 8 here. Okay, root 7 by 8, and this is 1 by 8, and this is root 7. Okay, so this is the use of trigonometry. The value of that is root 7 only. Okay, now see the solution carefully. Now we proceed to this is the first method. Okay, with the help of trigonometry. Now next procedure we have to follow the theorem equation. Okay, see carefully. This is the most interesting question. Now with the help of theorem equation, see the next method. Second method. Okay, so alpha is equal to pi by 7 plate. So 7 alpha is equal to pi. It is now we have to find this value actually. So this is 3 alpha and pi minus 4 alpha. Now this is 3 alpha and sine of pi minus 4 alpha, and this is sine 4 alpha, implies that 3 sine alpha minus 4 sine cube alpha, and this is here 2 sine 2 alpha and cos 2 alpha, and implies that, and this is equal to 2 into 2 sine alpha into cos alpha into cos of 2 alpha, and that is here 1 minus 2 sine square alpha. Okay, and see from sine alpha and cancel this, then 3 minus 4 sine square alpha, and this is equal to 4 into sine are cancelled, so 4 into cos alpha and 1 minus 2 Sine square actually. Why? The factor sine are cancelled. As we know, the value of sine alpha is not equal to 0 since alpha is 5 by 7. So this is approximately 25 point something actually, okay? So it can't be 0. So that's why on the both sides the sine factor are cancelled. Now dividing by both sides by sine cube by cos cube, dividing by cos cube on both sides. So see 3 minus 4 sine square alpha by cos cube. This is 4 cos alpha. 1 minus 2 sine square alpha by cos cube alpha implies that this is cos cube. So we can write here sec alpha within the bracket. We can write here 3 sec square alpha minus this by this as a 4 tan square alpha and equal to 4 cos or cos cancel. So 1 by cos square. This is sec square alpha and this by this as a 2 tan square alpha. Okay. So I can rewrite here. See, in place of sec square, we can write here as a sec alpha. Sec square minus tan square is equal to 1. So in place of sec square, we can write here tan square. 3 plus 3 tan square alpha minus 4 tan square alpha. This is here 4 into 1 minus sec, so 1 plus tan square alpha. So 2 tan square alpha. Okay, implies that. So see, sec alpha is in the bracket 3 minus tan square alpha, and this is equal to 4 times of 1 minus tan square alpha. Okay, and now we want to convert this equation as a whole tan. So that's why squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So we get here sec square alpha. This is a tan square alpha and this is equal to 4, 16. It will be 16 into 1 minus, so this is should be a square. So 1 minus tan square alpha whole square. Now this sec square is convert into a 1 plus tan square alpha. Okay. Let x equal to tan square alpha. Now this is here 1 plus x and 3 minus x whole square and 16 1 minus x whole square. Okay, see the calculation carefully. You can repeat here. This is here 1 plus x, 3 minus x whole square and 16 into 1 minus x square. Correct. Now simplify. 1 plus x and this is a 9 plus x square and 6x and 16 minus 32x plus 16x square. Now simply multiply on both sides here. This is 9 plus x square actually and 3 to the 6. Okay, implies that x cube 16 15 and minus 6, this is 21x square, 3 and 32, 35x, this is 9 and minus 16, this is minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, this is number 1. And let us assume this is via beta. So let beta is equal to 2 pi by 7. So now 7 beta is equal to 2 pi. And then implies that 3 beta is equal to 2 pi minus 4 beta. So sine 3 beta is equal to minus sine 4 beta minus 2 sine 2 beta and cos 2 beta. Okay, so this is equal to minus 2, this is equal to minus 4 sine beta cos beta within the bracket cos 2 beta means 1 minus 2 sine square beta. Okay, if we expand this and sine factor cancel, so this is sine 3 sine beta minus 4 sine cube beta, and this is equal to minus 4 sine beta and cos beta within the bracket 1 minus 2 sine square beta. So take in common sine beta, and this is sine beta cancel, as you know that the beta is equal to the 2 pi by 7, therefore the sine of 2 pi by 7 never is 0. Okay, so that's why we can cancel the factor sine beta. So this is here 3 minus 4 sine square beta, and this is there 4 and cos beta, and also 1 minus 2 sine square beta. Okay, and dividing by both sides, like same as cos cube beta, so dividing by same as cos cube beta on the both sides. So see, 3 minus implies that 3 minus 4 sine square beta by cos cube beta is equal to minus 4 and cos beta into 1 minus 2 sine square beta and divided by cos cube beta, and this is equal to, I think here 1 cos are left, and that's why I said beta, and divided by cos square, so 3 6 square beta minus 4 tan square beta. Okay, and this is equal to minus 4, one factor of cos are cancelled, so divided by cos is 1 minus 6, this is here 6 square beta minus here is 2 tan square beta. Okay, I think all of you are better understood. So very interesting question here. See, this is here we can replace as a 6 square beta, squaring both sides, and this is here 3 times of 3 tan square beta, so this is 3 minus actually tan square beta. Okay, and squaring that. Okay, then we get here 16, and also we can write here as a 6 square means 1 plus tan square, so that is 1 minus tan square beta, and this is squaring both sides, so you get here this. Okay, now let y is equal to as a tan square beta. Okay, so this is y, so therefore we can see this is a 1 plus tan square beta, so 1 plus y, so then 3 minus y whole square, and 16 into 1 minus y whole square. See, from these equation these are same, so that's why we can expand and from this equation. So this is the same equation x cube, this is not x cube, this is we take a variable y, so this is y cube, and 21 y square and 35 y minus 7 equal to 0. So you got a same equation. See, 1 and 2 are same equation, 1 and 2 are same equation. So tan square alpha, see this is pi by 7, tan square pi by 7, and tan square 2 pi by 7 are the two roots of the equation, that is x cube 21x square 35x minus 7 equal to 0. Similarly, we can say that says that tan square 3 pi by 7 is other root of the equation x cube 21x square plus 35x and 7 equal to 0. Therefore, the product of the roots, that is tan square pi by 7, tan square 2 pi by 7, tan square 3 pi by 7, and that is equal to C. For our theory of equation, we can say that the sum of the roots is equal to minus a1 by a0, and this coefficient, let us assume a0 is 1, a1 is minus 21, a3 is 35, a4 is 7. So that is sum of the two roots, and pair product of the two roots is what? This is a1 by a0 minus, then minus plus 35 by 1, and then minus. So that is a minus of minus 7 by 1 here. Okay, this is 7, and therefore the tan pi by 7 and tan 2 pi by 7 and tan 3 pi by 7 is equal to root 7 actually. And this is, we can't take a negative sign, as we know the value, these three angles, they lie on the 0 to 90, so all the values are separately, they all are positive, so we can't take a negative sign. So that's why the product of the 3 tangent like pi by 7, tan of 2 pi by 7 and tan 3 of pi by 7 is equal to, this is root 7. Okay, so this is another method which is, I think all of you are better understood, and we'll be happy to see this video, and this two technique is most interesting. Okay, bye everybody.